Hi guys. So Christmas was awesome. I got a lot of great presents, but by the time it came around to my birthday on December 27th, my parents were like totally over it. Like they gave me a coffee maker that I think I saw in the garage that was definitely used. See? Ew, it's totally dirty. Yeah, gross. There's actually coffee in there. So I was gonna throw it away, then I was like, wait a second, that is wasteful. And so I Googled what to do with a shitty coffee maker that your parents gave you instead of an awesome present on your birthday. And guess what? You can make fish in your coffee maker, guys. You can cook salmon in it. So according to NPR, you put the salmon in the carafe part, and then you put soy sauce or whatever you want on top of it, and then you run the cycle as just as if it were coffee.
To tell you the truth, I've said it before, tomorrow I'll start in a new direction. I know I've been half asleep, I'm never doing that again. I look straight at what's coming ahead, and soon it's gonna change in a new direction. Every night as I'm falling asleep, these words repeated in my head. Voices calling from a yellow road to come downstairs and say hello.
Salmon, garlic, and Worcestershire sauce, because we had no soy sauce, and Scott thinks they're the same thing, which they are not. Alright, whoa! Shit. Oh, it's grinding coffee beans! Ah!
Dorothy moves to click her ruby shoes, right in tune with dark side of the moon.
Okay, so we left it in the carafe for 7 minutes after the cycle. It's actually really good. I mean, it doesn't taste like it's seasoned or anything, but it's perfectly cooked, to be honest. Perfectly. This is awesome.